everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a new set of acrylics with a little review video. So I reviewed this stamping plate here. It's so cute. It's got penguins and a seal on it and different designs like that. Then I received this one here. I received actually a set of 5 stamping plates. So here's the third one, really cute. And then here's the fourth one that I received. So these stamping plates, they came in a set of 5 and they're on the website, on beautybigbang's website, for £9.27. So this is the design that I did on my nails here with the stamping plates. So the powders that I used are from Miss You. The first one I got here is Bluebell and it's a really pale blue. It's absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't have any glitter in it or anything like that. It's just lovely. And the next one is Snow Mountain. Now this one is like a pearly white. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it to bits. And it's perfect for French manicures or ombre. So this is the design that I went with and I will show you how I created them. So first off, I just applied a set of tips to my nails. The tips that I used are from Pro Impressions. They are Noel tips, so there's no blending needed, and I just filed them into shape. I went for like not stiletto but like more of a rounded shape. By the way, I do apologise if I go out of focus. I'm working with my new camera and it's a little bit awkward. I normally use my iPhone but I've gone with the camera this time. So I then apply my Miss You Beauty primer to my nail bed. I have actually already pushed back the cuticles and prepped my nails by buffing them slightly, or my nail bed, sorry, just to remove the shine off them so that the acrylic adheres better to my nails. So then what I do is I go in with Snow Mountain just at the end of this nail, sorry. I apply that first and I fade it up the nail. And then I go in with Bluebell and I apply that from the cuticle area faded down the nail. So I go for that ombre effect, which I am totally loving at the moment. So the reason why I've gone for this design this week, guys, is that my lovely little niece and my fabulous sister have just been on a wonderful holiday to Iceland. They've been to see the Northern Lights and they went whale watching and all sorts of fabulous things. So yeah, so this is so appropriate that Beauty Big Bang have sent me this nail stamping plate that has a sea lion on it and a seal, sorry, on it, and polar bears and penguins. I thought it was very appropriate in keeping with the holiday that my little niece has been on. So yeah, so that was my inspiration basically for this design. And as you can tell, the white is based on the snow of Iceland and the blue is inspired by the beautiful sky out there. So basically I just go in with the whole set here using the same method, same design, except for my ring finger I just go in with I cover that with Snow Mountain, the whole of the nail, and my little finger I just cover that with Bluebell. So yes. And now I am encapsulating those nails in my clear acrylic liquid and powder. By the way, the liquid and powder that I'm using today is also from Miss You Beauty, and my brush is also my Miss You Beauty size 8 acrylic brush, which I love. It feels just like an extension of my hand. So here is the stamping plate that I'm using. It's the 018 stamping plate. As you can see, it's got penguins and a seal and a fox and polar bears and everything. So just remove the protective film on the top of it there so that I can access it. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I just love it. And this here in the middle is the design that I'm going for. So with my black nail polish and my Beauty Big Bang scraper and stamper, I just apply that to my nail. Now unfortunately the nail polish that I used is fairly old. I do need to get some new one, so it was quite difficult coming off the stamper there. As you could see, I struggled a little bit, but that is because my nail polish is old, so I do apologise for that. So with some Miss You Beauty Builder Gel in white, I just applied a little bit to the tip of the nail here, and then I went in just for a little bit of decoration across the rest of the design, just to make it look a bit like snow, give it that little bit of a 3D effect. With the fine detail brush, I just went in there and just applied some little bits to it. So then before curing this in my LED lamp, I went in with some iridescent glitter, some white iridescent glitter. Again, just to make it give it the effects of snow, give it a real winter theme, which I thought was lovely. So I just sprinkle that over the top, and then I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in and just apply some little snowflakes to my nails, to the rest of my nails, just using the same method with the Builder Gel in white, and then I sprinkle the glitter over the top before I've actually cured that in my LED lamp, and then I cure them all in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then the last thing I do is go in with some non-wipe UV gel top coat, and then I cure those nails in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I apply some beautiful cuticle oil to my cuticles, and that is my design complete. So I shall pop pictures on at the end. Thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. If you have any questions regarding the stamping plates that I received, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below. I will leave you all discount codes. I do have some discount codes to these stamping plates as well, so don't forget to check those out. They will be in the description box, along with any links to the products that I used in today's video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to follow me on don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.